Hi everyone, let's see what is the guidance from universe for us today. Let's check. Beyond illusion. Okay. So a lot of people are right now living in their delusional world. They are having a lot of things in their head where they're thinking that these are the things that they want and this is how it will happen. But what the universe is saying, you need to follow what is your reality. Okay, you need to look beyond your desires and your illusional thoughts that you're having about a particular situation. So activate your third eye chakra, follow your intuition is something that universe is strongly recommending right now. Do not assume things, look at the things as it is. If you don't have a clarity, get the clarity, have a strong communication, assertive communication, get the clarity. Okay, do not live in illusions, stop comparing. Okay, probably you are comparing yourself with somebody, or there are chances that you're comparing two people with each other, because you want to move forward in a certain taking a decision in a certain situation that you're in. Stop comparing. Okay, see the things as it is, stop thinking that this could be this and that could be that. Okay, let's see more success. Lot of success coming everyone's way, but that will happen only when you show the strength in moving towards the direction that you want. This success is not going to come to you by just sitting idle. You'll have to work towards it, and the strength is something that you really really need to focus on when it comes to achieving success. Okay, let's see one more. Slowing down. Okay, so if you're right now in hurry that you want to do everything at the same time, stop doing that. You need to slow down, you need to evaluate, you need to understand the situation and then make the decision. Do not be impulsive, do not be hasty in making decision about yourself or a situation or some person or what you want from life. Do not be in hurry. Okay, slow down, pause, think and then make a decision.